Listen, build back stronger. Will the Jamaica give the JLP another chance to form the government? Kamina Johnson-Smith, campaign spokesperson of the JLP, will answer that question and more. She joins me now. Hi, morning, Kamina.
Morning, Delia. Morning to your viewers.
What's the atmosphere like right now at JLP Central? Positive, optimistic? Tell me what's going on.
Yes, we're extremely confident. We are very much encouraging all our supporters to come out and vote, put their X beside the bell, wearing their mask, distancing online, sanitizing and following all the protocols, and then returning home or going on to work as would be normal. We're not encouraging any gathering. There will be time enough for celebrating. We're asking all our supporters, come out and vote. Do not catch win-already-itis. It is very important that although we know we've been doing very well in the polls and we're excited about that, it's very important for every supporter to vote today.
Yeah. Is that a real concern that because the polls have been saying that you're ahead and ahead with double figures, that people may say, listen, I'm not going to risk it. I'm going to stay home because the party is okay. Is that a real concern?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. You'll hear people say, you guys don't need my vote, man. Andrew are gone well, or the government are gone well. And you have to have the conversation to say, unless that ballot is in the box, unless every ballot is in the box, an election cannot be won. We remind people that there are seats that have been lost by 1 vote and 2 votes and 13 votes. So it is absolutely key. Your vote could be that vote that makes a difference. So it is important for everyone. If you want to see the government continue, please come out and vote for us.
Yeah. Speaking to the PMP's Delano Franklin ahead of this interview, he said to Neville the strategy is to retain the seats they already have and to gain more. What's the JLP strategy? To just hold on to what the lead you already have? Or are you also hoping to extend that lead significantly today?
Oh, we are absolutely going for every seat, and we are anticipating that the PNP will have some surprises come tomorrow morning. We are doing very well. New candidates in
All right, we're just having some technical challenges.
Inviting everyone to come out and vote safely, vote peacefully, wear your mask. Oh, we're having a difficulty?
Yes, Kamina. So just repeat the response for me from the top in terms of what are you expecting today? What's the strategy in terms of the number of seats?
Sure, we are going for every seat because the fact is that on the ground, there is a positive response, a positive mood to the Jamaica Labour Party, and new candidates, our energetic, capable, driven and committed candidates that are on the ground are getting fantastic reception in seats that we may not have even targeted because there is such a positive energy on the ground. So we are going for every seat and we are encouraging every voter to come out. If your ballot is not in the box, then we cannot win. We need you to win. So we're asking you to put on your mask, distance in line, vote, sanitize, and go back home or go on to work, as would be your normal way of operating on a Thursday, and vote for the Jamaica Labour Party.
If I'm watching right now and I'm still not sure, who am I going to vote for this morning? What would you say to the undecided? I have my voter's ID in my hand, and I want go, but what would you say to me to convince me that the JLP is the party to go forward?
I would say that we have delivered. We have delivered not only roads, water, and housing, but we have been delivering in terms of our social services and our safety net through a really strategic and very, strategic management, strong leadership, strong management of the country and our resources. So we've been able to do a lot more in these past 4 years than 4 years than any administration has been able to before. And you need that type of strength, strategic thinking, strong management, strong leadership, and you need a unified party, which is not in existence on the other side of that voting card. It's important for us now to be unified, to be clear, to have continuity of the good policies which are in place. And also in respect of the pandemic, there is no room for opportunism around this issue now. All of Jamaica needs strong management of our health systems, of our security forces, and of the general management of the engine of government. And a government led by Andrew Michael Holness has demonstrated before, with the lowest unemployment levels ever, the lowest poverty levels in a decade, the highest employment levels, most jobs created in 4.5 years. We have been feeding our children 5 days instead of 3. We've been increasing the support for training, trained 26,000 young people through the HOPE program, 147,000 through HEART. We plan to train more as we grow the economy and put our people to work. We believe that we are the best party to take Jamaica forward. We need the continuity, we need the strength and unity, we need clear, strong management and leadership.
All right, we lost Kamina there for a second, but I do believe that she delivered most of what it is that she wanted to say this morning. Kamina? All right, Kamina Johnson-Smith, campaign.
Oh, I'm distressed.
Yes.
Okay.
I got most of what you had to say, so I just wanted to say thank you so much for speaking with us.
Okay.
And all the best to you today. All right, Kamina.
Thank you. Stay well, keep safe, and to all your viewers, vote safely, wear your mask, distance online. Remember that once you're online at 5, you can stay online as long as it takes to vote.
Awesome. Kamina Johnson-Smith, their campaign spokesperson for the JLP. Still to come on Smile, we check in with Vashon Brown. He's at the EOJ, and then we're going to take a walk down the campaign memory lane. News in 5 is next.